Do you lack the time, staff, and budget to consistently publish original content? Coming up, I'm going to explain how content curation can help you fill this gap. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce and I am a knowledge enthusiast. I love working with digital marketers like you and share my knowledge of digital marketing. I will provide you with weekly tips on how you can grow your digital marketing career. Let's first start with defining what content curation really is. Content curation is acting like a museum curator sharing the best art in an art museum, or a wedding DJ playing the best songs at a wedding. It is the physical act of a person, not a computer, finding and sharing the best of other people's content. Content curation is when individuals or teams consistently find, organize, and share high-quality digital content. This curated content covers specific topics that engage your target audience. So what's the sweet spot between content creation and content curation? According to research that explored the sweet spot of how much brands should use content curation versus content creation, the optimal balance for an organization is 60-40 ratio of content curation to content creation. Why should you curate content? There are 5 key benefits of effective content curation. Number 1, content curation helps you incorporate outside voices. Number 2, content curations helps you improve your search engine optimization or your SEO. Number 3, content curation helps you grow your website traffic and lead generation efforts. Number 4, content curation aids you in building brand awareness. Number 5, content curation enables you to become a thought leader. To help you with your content curation efforts, I have compiled a list of 5 content curation tools. Number 1, Anders Pink. Anders Pink curates content for you and your team by crawling millions of websites across the web and then creates daily briefings. Anders Pink helps you gain insights from the crowd so users can vote on articles they like and get notified when a team member flags or comments on articles. You get helpful analytics because you can see how many articles each team member opens and views in the daily briefings and how much they contribute by voting, flagging, and commenting on articles. Number 2, Buzzsumo. Buzzsumo helps you create content and identify influencers who have shared a piece of content. You can search for the most shared content using keywords. This content curation tool helps you analyze what content is performing best for any topic or for any competitor. You can find key influencers to help you promote your content. Number 3, Feedly. Feedly is a way to organize, read, and share content from your favorite websites, podcasts, keyword alerts, and YouTube channels. You can access all of them in one place. It is a useful tool since it has strong integration features with your social media channels, so you can easily share articles. You can also schedule posts with Hootsuite and Buffer. You can also add articles to a read later section so you can access them when you need them. Number 4, Pocket. The main goal of Pocket is to save interesting articles, videos, and other web content in your quote-unquote pocket to read, watch, or share later. Pocket also has a feature that helps you curate content based on specific topics. This feature pulls high-quality content, providing some of the best articles on the web. You can also discover content by browsing through major publications, content writers, and content curators. Number 5, Curata. This tool is a content curation and content marketing platform for enterprises. Curata has 2 main software platforms, content curation software and content marketing platform. This tool uses machine learning, natural language processing, and artificial intelligence to power both platforms. It was founded on the premise that machine learning and natural language processing can bring significant value from the tsunami of online content being produced. Curata allows you to discover and share industry content to blogs, social channels, and email newsletters. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. Content curation has become an important part of a successful marketing strategy. Content curation is a useful marketing tactic because you don't actually have to write or produce all the content yourself, and you can share this content via social media. Using content curation tools can save you time and keep your social media pages looking active and engaging. What are your favorite content curation tools? Please add your favorite one below in the comments. Thank you for watching. Until next time.